It's sugar-free. A couple. And Nick's like, oh, you're gonna replace them with sugar-free?
No, bragged to me that I haven't had a Red Bull yet this year. It's a Red Bull. I haven't had one today.
First night.
Today.
Today. Oh, rice on turkey camp, and I got a sugar-free Red Bull, so I'm breaking all the rules. We're kicking tonight off. Right, we got a fire going. We're gonna go find some birds. We got a lot of guys. We have an excessive amount of turkey decoys here. So we have everything we need to kill some birds. Hopefully we can locate some tonight. We'll be out hunting in the morning.
Got
turkey tomorrow.
Is it custom or what? Is it alfalfa?
It's trimmed.
Trimmed?
To look like a Jake.
Is that the secret to killing a big turkey every year?
We'll find out tomorrow. First time I've ever done it, but I was trying to convince Tyler to let's do it with that one up there for his decoy, but he says it's too pretty, even though it's mine.
You can't have it.
It's been here for a year. Interest is paid. You officially own it.
Oh, just in time for some food.
You was the one doing all the shopping while you were in there?
Yeah, that was what I was talking. Grab two, one. It's like
Out there, holy shit. Yeah, and you're out in the field. No.
You want? Yeah, we can more. Like, you want beer in the video? I don't know.
Doing all right?
I saw that last year's video. Everybody was like, "Oh, I can do." Like, oh, you got it.
You think when you're 30 years old, you either have to get really involved with politics or smoking meat. Those are your two options.
We're into smoking meat.
Well,
Yeah.
it's just enough.
We knew that's how many it fit. We did science. Never asked him to hunt over here, but it's all the same owner. There was two in there this morning. Okay.
Yeah, so I mean, those could be two different toms in that one.
Right.
Possibly, or they split off.
Good flock of them, but there's no toms out there that we can see, just jakes and hens.
Could be in the woods.
Really?
Yep.
Huh. We there was two hens over at Brian's in the field, and we were gonna sit there and watch them, but then we decided we got enough time where we're gonna run over to your farm real quick. Maybe it's more of a morning place.
I don't even think over there not seeing birds is discouraging because there's just so many in there.
You keep finisher watching. We'll let you know what's going on at your farm.
Okay.
And we'll get back and we'll figure out who's going where and what.
Okay, sounds good, man.
Alright, we'll see.
Bye-bye. This is where you pull a double in this field right
This
here.
one?
Yeah. It's pretty nice we got all these fields within like 5 minutes of my house.
Yeah, I mean,
It makes it convenient, that's for sure.
Yeah. These birds got no idea.
I don't see any immediately on the field. So, I mean, you're probably good if you walk in over here. It doesn't look like it.
So they're like, oh yeah, we'll be about like 10 to
My Badlands Gears are probably good now. I probably could go. Ours is too. We have like one vent, two vents. One in the bedroom, like tag in the bedroom, all the workout rooms now. But the other vent's like in the rec room. But
dog. Dude, that was so
Give me
fast.
that hat, buddy.
Yes. Dude, that was awesome. Do you see the rope on that bird? Dude, he was dragging the ground. Oh my gosh. Dude, he come in. I was trying to get the camera on that. If you want to, I mean, dude, that was awesome. They're down, dude. That's awesome. That's awesome. Talk about sitting here being bored, watching hens all morning.
Trying to get up.
There you go. Yes. Dude, that was awesome. That was awesome.
I'll go out there and run his neck if I have to.
Yeah.
Heck yeah, dude.
Dude, that's awesome.
My first one on film.
I can't wait to see that bird, dude. His rope. When I didn't want to tell you when he was coming in, but I was like, oh my god. That's your first one on film too? Hopefully I got it on film, dude. He cleared 9 windows and he shot.
I should have said I'm not
It's
used
okay.
to shoot. You had to be on the whole thing. Or was he blocked?
Pretty close. We'll see. Let's watch him back. Still living.
Look at that, that's the small one.
Oh my
The
goodness.
other one's bigger.
Dude, when he come in, his beard was dragging. That is a stud bird. Stud. Oh my gosh. Giant beard. Oh my gosh.
Dude, this thing's mangled.
Gosh.
Look at that thing. What the heck, dude?
That's insane.
Let's get him in the grass.
Oh, dude.
What do you think?
Yes. That is an awesome bird.
Thanks, man. I appreciate you bringing me out.
Hey, no problem, dude. I'm glad I was there for it.
I'm just as jacked for tomorrow. Maybe I can call one for somebody else.
Yeah. We'll try to get on another one today. Maybe I'll go kill one.
There's the best part right there.
Holy cow.